front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then you need to scroll down to tap on biometrics, hit face recognition and enter your current screen lock. Now tap on continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, click on home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!